Welcome to Profitmart. Why invest in stock market? Stock investment provide highest potential returns compared to bonds, other asset class. In long term, no other type of investment tends to perform better. On the downside, stocks tend to be the most volatile investments. Sometimes stock prices may even fall for a protracted period. Education, well-informed investing, can make risk acceptable relative to expected reward. Picking right businesses to own, help avoid bad stocks. Money can work harder in equities than any other investment. Benefits and advantages of opening Demat and trading account with Profitmart. Profitmart offers high leverage facility. Get highest leverage on intraday trading. Means this is your investment and this is your trading power. Get up to 20 times of margin on intraday. Get 10 times of margin on futures, commodities and option selling. Get up to 20 times of margin with our bracket order. The Profitmart Demat account advantages and benefits. Zero account opening fee. Cover order and competitive leverage. Free advanced trading terminal. Transparency in trading via digital contract notes and SMEs trade confirmation. A single platform for trading in equity, FO, currency, and commodities. Customized portfolio tracker. A dedicated relationship manager for personalized solutions. Effective online education modules for all segments of traders. Online research and trading guidance. Attractive client referral plan to earn additional income. Combined margin for equity and commodity. Very competitive brokerage. We provide our broking services through various web, mobile app, and Icici platforms. Industry bestest trading platform. Advanced trading mobile app. Profitmart Research mobile app. Profitmart Wealth mobile app. Dedicated relationship manager. Social distancing is must. Distancing from investment is not. Open online demand and trading account in one of India's leading and award-winning stockbroker. Get up to 20 times intraday limit in equity and commodity futures through bracket order and get 10 times limit in option selling. Trade with single margin for both equity and commodity. Avail same-day payout facility. Get advanced mobile app for seamless trading. Get online research free for lifetime. Get competitive brokerage with complete transparency in trading with instant SMEs and digital contract notes. Get personalized relationship manager. Visit www.profitmart.in to open your account today.